Hey coders, welcome back to Davian where we solve real coding problems one light at a time. In this video, we are tackling question number 4 sliding window median, an advanced yet super interesting problem that combines heaps, sliding windows and sharp algorithmic thinking. These ones are favorite in technical interviews at top tech companies. And today we are going to break it down step by step, understand the logic and implement a clean, efficient solution together. If you are ready to level up your coding game and impress interviewers, but hit the like button, subscribe and let's slide into it. Let's try to solve over this question by the name of sliding window median. So let's start. Now the median. So please highlight this median. First of all, let's highlight this median. The median is the middle value in an ordered integer list. If the size of a list is even, there is no middle value. So the median is the mean of the two middle values. Like for example, if statement AR equals to square bracket 2, 3, 4, the median, this median is 3. For example, AR, here you create a statement that array equals to 1 2 3 4. The median of the 1 2 3 4 is rounded bracket 2 plus 3 divided by 2 equals to 2.5. Now it has been given me a integer array nums and integer k. There is a one sliding window of size k which is moving from the very left of the array to the very right. Then we only see the k numbers in the window, and each time the sliding window moves right by one position. And our task is, in today's video we want to return the median array for each window in the original array, and the answers within the 10 square bracket 5 of the actual value will be accepted. So if you see this example 1 means except in the case 1, here he created one integer array by the name of nums in which he write 1 3 minus 1 minus 3 5 3 6 7, and then here he created one integer by the name of k in which he written down 3, and the output will be coming like this. Here you can see it. And the if you see the explanation, like window position is this and the median is this. So you can see it. This is one window positions and median. Now let's see our example 2. So in the example 2 there is the same thing. Here he created one integer array by the name of nums in which he wrote 1 2 3 4 2 3 1 4 2, then k equals to 3, and the output will be coming 2.00000, like this type of one output has been coming. So let's try to solve this question. This question must be bigger. Their code are very. And let's see the question number. Question number is 480, which we are solving in today's video. So anyways, let's start to solve it very easily. So now, first of all, let me break it, and now let's start. And we solve it in the Python 3 class median finder def init self comma k int self dot k equals to k, self dot small equals to like this, then self dot large equals to like this, self dot delete equals to default date, and then int. Here we define int means integer, then self dot small size equals to 0, and then enter. Then self dot large size equals to 0, enter, backspace, def add num self comma num, then int, and then enter. If statement not self dot small then or num equals to minus self dot small then 0, then semicolon, enter. He push self dot small comma slash num, then enter Now when we do this, so backspace, 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 enter self dot small size plus equals to 1, else enter hey a push self comma large, self dot large comma num, enter self dot large, then size plus equals to 1, enter self dot rebalance, enter. Now enter back def find median self minus greater than float, enter return slash self dot small then 0 if statement self dot k and 1 else minus self dot small 0 self dot large 0 divided by 2, enter back, enter def remove num, now define here self comma num int semicolon self dot delete num plus equals to 1, enter if num less than equals to slash self dot small 0 then semicolon, enter self one more time dot small size equals minus equals to 1, give space, enter if num equals to self dot small 0 then enter self dot prune self dot small, enter back else enter self dot large size minus equals to 1 if num equals to self dot large and then semicolon 0, one more time self dot prunic self dot large, enter back self dot rebalance, enter back, okay def prunic self dot pq list int sign equals to -1 if pq is self dot small else 1, enter while pq and sign multiply by pq 0 in self dot delete, enter self dot delete sign minus multiply by pq then 0 minus equals to 1, enter if self dot delete sign multiply by pq 0 equals to 0 semicolon, enter self dot delete dot pop sign multiply by pq 0 then heap pop pq, enter back def rebalance self if self dot small size greater than self large size plus 1 heap push self dot large comma heap pop self dot small, enter self dot small size minus get equals to 1, then self dot large size plus equals to 1, self dot printf self dot small elif self dot small size self dot large, enter heap push self dot small comma heap pop self dot large size minus equals to 1, enter self dot small size plus equals to 1, self dot printf self dot large. Now we write it about all the code. So now let's see the running code. So now let's see our running code. So now when I run this code, so now I hope it not give me an error. So when I run this, so now it is giving me error. So let's see what type of error it has been given me. In this line it has been giving me error. Okay, I think so. Let's remove it. So remove. Okay, here we add one unnecessary line. So now let's run it. So now let's see the output. So why it is giving me error? So it is giving me error in this line of the class median. We did not define a correct spelling of median. Define here n also. So now you will be run it. So now it has been not give you error now, I hope. So when I run it, so here you can see it has been accepted. Our case 1, our expected output this, and my also output has been coming this. In case 2, the expected output is this, and my also output has been coming this. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you know about these type of videos on the channel of the Dabrian. So anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.